Hello everyone. As a part of Principle of Management TL, so we are a group of four who are taking a interview of Mr. Guru Prasad Patwari. I am Shripad Raj Dadisugur from EC Department of RV College of Engineering. So please give your introduction all
Myself,
the
Sridhar Bhatt from Electronics and Communication Department.
Hello, my name is Shashank. I'm from EC Department of RV College. I'm studying in RV College.
Myself, Ravi Kumar JK. I am from EC department from the RV College of Engineering.
So here we are taking interview of Mr. Guru Prasad Patwari. So he is currently quality head in Sony Organics, Bangalore division. So he started his career in Shilpa Pharmacy from Raichur as a chemical analyst, then moved to Sipla Goa as a formulate analyst, and then he moved to Sipla Bangalore by promotion, and then there he got a designation as section head, and then promoted as deputy manager, and then he moved to Hyderabad in creative organics where he became a manager, and then he made an achievement as USFDA passed, and then he moved to Gurgaon in Haryana, a company named as Arc Formal Labs, where he became assistant general manager. And then he moved to Hyderabad of the same company, and there he became assistant general manager of quality. So earlier in Gurgaon, he was assistant general manager of quality control, but here overall quality, it means quality assurance and quality control. Next, currently he is in Bangalore, Sony Organics, as a quality head, head of the overall company. Hello, sir. So we have a few questions to ask to you about how you manage your tasks, like how you manage like people, and how you assign tasks to them, and how you manage financial and economic issues. So here, can you give your like introduction and also? Yeah. Please on your mic, sir. Sorry, unmuted. You are unmuted.
Okay. Okay, well, fine. It's I will give some brief introduction myself. I'm Guru Prasad Patwari. As you already introduction given, I am right now working as a quality head in the Sonia Organics since from 1.5 years. My roles and responsibilities, as you briefly asked me about my current role, is my quality head or site overall site head. I am taking caring. Site head means it will come overall quality. Quality means productivity, management, and manpower handling, and allocation of works, customer handling, and dispatches and exports, which are going from company to outside and domestic market, and out some custom MNC customers handling, and internal departments handling of daily basis verification of all records, and trainings, conducting each and every department uh, to upgrade the current requirements. These are all my roles.
Okay, sir.
I
Like
just
next
briefly
question
add
is
to that.
like what are your main responsibilities? Like how you
Fine,
organize the structure basically.
fine, fine. It's what is my main responsibility is I have to maintain quality at most best quality. Means as per customer requirement, we have to give the quality. Means nowadays the quality, if quality is good, as far as concerned, it is my what is manufacturing in the uh, bulk drugs, that is active pharmaceutical ingredients we are manufacturing. then finally it is going to formulation unit, then it is through that directly going to patients. So very, very important role is my role. If I give good quality, then we will save so many patients' life indirectly and directly. This can I say that, and this is the main responsibility and team handling, and not only my team, quality team, I have to handle overall the site teams, and I can say that we have in the site engineering team and production team, warehouse, we can say is the store department, and other regulatory team is there. These are all our core teams, means our other departments, which are also I have to take care, and cross functional teams. I need to give trainings and support for the required documents. This is my brief responsibilities.
Okay,
If
sir.
you ask organization structure, I briefly just tell you the organization, how the organization structure. Managing director under it is executive directors are there. Executive directors under all the department heads, which are the departments are there in the site. As I told you just now, all the departments, that department heads are we are reporting to executive director. Executive director is reporting to managing director, and our department head under assistant managers, deputy managers, executives, chemists, like that. This is the organization structure. These hierarchies are maintained. Then these are the below people are reporting to HOD, that is the head of the departments. HOD, head of the departments are reporting to executive directors. Executive directors are reporting to managing director. This is our brief structure of our organization.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you. Like my friend Shashank will ask few questions about managing and all.
Okay. Come on, ask. Okay, no problem.
Hello, sir. So as you said,
Yeah.
you procure the materials so that you give it to the patients, the good materials of the patients, so that their lives can be saved. So what
Yeah.
strategies do you use to manage the raw material to maintain your inventory?
Fine. Very good question.
Thank
The
you.
ones that we are received from the raw materials from the different part of India. Some of the raw materials we are receiving from out of India also. Which vendors we are before we are receiving the raw materials, we are vendor qualification we are doing, means the we are receiving from 3 batches of the product from respective vendor, that we are analyzing. If the quality is up to the mark within the acceptance criteria, then we are bulk quantity we are receiving from the raw material from outside. Okay, that we are raw materials we are analyzing here in the our site from our quality control team. Then if raw materials are all the tests pass within the limit, then only we are using for the manufacture. That raw material is using for the manufacture.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then you tell me.
Then I have next question. Then you need many people to coordinate these tasks, right? To procure the material, to distribute and all. So how you will organize your team to do all this?
Okay, fine. Yes, we have procurement team is there. That is totally different. I am the quality team. Procurement team is totally different from my team. Their work is as per the monthly plan requirement of raw material. 1 month, 6 months before their overall this planning has been done. This according to respective month, what are the raw materials required? They are planned previously. They are planned and organizing the when we are going to receive and when it is required for this month, accordingly they will before only their plan to procurement has been done from the procure team. Accordingly, we are receiving the respective month and using the same. Okay,
Okay, sir.
fine.
So my next question is then how do you motivate your employees to do the work?
Fine, very good question. Yes, we are number of employees, our teams, different cross-functional teams and different departments are we employees. Daily basis, we are giving the 10 trainings and we have the softwares are there. Based in through software, we are giving trainings. Why means we are handling some techniques to do the work analysis and reporting and identification of issues like that we have that that people are enjoying with work with software. They can easy to they are interested to work the softwares. Earlier it was manual handling the chemicals manually. Nowadays manually about 20 to 25% manual handling works are there. The rest of the 60 to 70% we are through software only we are working. Okay, through software people will enjoying with work and clarity and with confident people are working with interest and at the end of month we are putting some good work people we are finding rewards we are giving.
Okay.
Those who are worked in the means overall they who they work with more hours and more activity more output peoples we will identify, we will encourage, we will and motivating the people indirectly. This I can say. Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. From now, my friend will take on.
Okay.
Myself, Rohit Master. As you said, you are the quality team head. There will be many employees working under you. So, has there will be some situations like some conflict may occur during some work between the employees. So, how do you approach it? If any event like that have occurred, and how did you approach it? Like, how did you handle those conflicts? That was my question.
Fine. I think there is a usually the in professional manner we are handling and user friendly we are handling the people. Not we are not showing any bossism like we are handling the people very closely and user friendly. And moreover, it is conflicts and crashes will never arise in the management side, whereas in worker side will sometime will arise. The company is having the some employee side, staff, employee management side, there is no conflicts. If anything small is there, we will call and one-to-one discuss in separate room, and we will take to next level, and we will resolve the issue then and there only, without any issue, I can say. Okay.
Thank you, sir. My next question is has there will be changes in the market demand on what you're building? The market demand will be keeps on changing. So based on that, how the price changes will take place?
Okay, fine. It's actually it is marketing question. I am the quality person. Okay, fine. The marketing is price up and downs are going on. If we are maintain the quality in high quality, high pure quality of our material, then our material is very demand, and we can say the whatever the required price will get obviously. If it is our quality is obviously down, means I can say our high purity we are unable to maintain means it is not pure quality. Quality is if quality is high, we are maintain accordingly. Price will get more, whichever is the situations. If it is not maintained, obviously price will get low. That should be accepted only by management. Then hence the peoples are then management and owner side, always they are not accepting low purity. Where it should be maintain high purity, low impurity. Then only our product is demand and will get more price, I can say.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. My last question is like, as you know, the technology goes on improving, as most of the things are getting automated. So, how do you think that is that's impact on your work? Like, how do you keep updated with these works, and how do you learn new things that keep on updating?
Okay, fine. That as per your technology is improving, and as per we have a lot of regulatory teams, and our regulatory bodies are there. If I say I am GMP, Good Manufacturing Practice, WHO, World Health Organization, USFDA, United States Food and Drug Administration, like that, these are the regulatory bodies are there. They are changing their requirements, and they are releasing their new SOPs, new ideas, new techniques, new systems, new equipments. These are all continuous yearly upgradation is happening in pharmacopoeia. I think you might have heard about this word, pharmacopoeia. We have number of pharmacopoeia. USP pharmacopoeia. Our Indian is IP pharmacopoeia. BP is British pharmacopoeia, and EP European pharmacopoeia. These are all pharmacopoeias are yearly upgrading. Based on pharmacopoeias, we have to thoroughly once upgrade, we need to go through, and accordingly we have to give training to our juniors, new joinees, and all our whole teams, cross-functional teams, so that it will compulsory to we have to upgrade according to the pharmacopoeia is upgrading. Accordingly, we need to update the things. It will helpful for our organization and customer as per customer satisfaction, I can say.
Thank you so much, sir, for your information. So, next, my friend Sridhar will be continuing with this question. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
So, hello, sir. Sir, as
Yes.
you told about your regulatory teams, as you know, sir, the supply of raw materials will keep on changing. So, how do you manage risks related to supply chain disruptions and regulatory changes?
Oh, supply of raw material usually will not change. Why? Once we are approving vendor, why means supply of raw material every time it is changed means product quality will also vary. Then actually the company rules and regulation what are there in good manufacturing GMP says you never you should not change the continuous your raw materials, so that if you are changing of vendor, you are, once we are buying with some other person A, we are buying with B, some other person buying from C, buying from D, means the that quality of the raw material may be pure less or high, we don't know. Then according to that our product quality will automatically will vary. So hence the thumb rule is there. We need to go for the approved vendor who has approved. Once we are making the one person, so 1 or 2% we will make as approved vendor. We are receiving from continuously, and consistent results are coming from that using that approved vendor. We are the same, we are following from that vendor only. Why means if it is change in any raw materials vendor person, automatically our product quality purity will vary. We are unable to dispatch right first time. This is I can say it will impact more risk. Company will site will face more risk again. Because of that, the company will not prefer different place of raw material, different not purchasing from every time, not changing from vendors. Okay, I think you
Okay.
might have understood.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Sir, my second question is, sir, what are the economic indicators that you use and how these affect your business decisions?
Economic indicators, it may rarely will affect. In I think 1 year, 2 or 3 months will economic indicator will get problem. At the time, our manufacturing team will decide to uh, maintain the factory shutdown will give, and all the machinery and all the instruments equipments will once maintenance will do, and if anything is there not working is there, we will replace the parts, and accordingly the service will do, and qualification will do. These are the activities when economic time we will do the our factory uh, things to modify the uh, instruments, qualifications, upgradations, training. In that we will do, we'll concentrate on that time, during that time, until that our management will resolve that economic issues. We will do that time. Then once it will, rarely it will, economic indicator will affect the companies. It will maybe 10 years once or 5 years once or yearly, 1 month or 15 days will affect. Then management, higher management will take immediate actions accordingly. The It will once again come back on board to working system. Okay.
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Understood, sir. Thank you, sir. Over to you, Sripat.
Thank you, sir, for like sharing your thoughts on how you manage and how your organization actual works, and then pouring your knowledge to us based on your organization. And thank you for your valuable time. Thank you for your insights. Thank you, sir. Thank you so
Thanks.
much.
Thanks. Thanks.
Thank you so
Okay.
much, sir.
Fine.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank- Fine. It's okay.
Okay, sir. We'll end this meeting. Thank you.
Fine.